Welcome to Math Talk 23. Today we are going to learn subtraction. 5 minus 3. See how many balls are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus 3. So 3 means what you have to do? 1, 2, 3. 3 minus. What's the remaining? 2. 1, 2. So answer is 2. Next one, 7 minus 4. So how many balls are here? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balls are here. Minus 4. So we have to 4 and pump panino. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's the remaining? 1, 2, 3. So what's the answer? 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So next one, 4 minus 4. So how many balls are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So minus 4. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்? 1, 2, 3, 4. So என்ன இருக்குங்க? Nothing is there. So we have to write the answer is 0. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Next one, 8 minus 2. So எத்தனை balls வச்சிருக்கேன் நான்? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 balls are here. Minus 2. 2 நம்ம உள்ள பண்ணிடலாம். So what's the remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Next one, 10 minus 3. So எத்தனை balls நான் வச்சிருக்கேன்? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 minus 3. அப்போ 3 நம்ம உள்ள தள்ளணும். 1, 2, 3. So what's the remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. I hope you enjoyed this activity. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you all.